So in the previous question, we were asked to find the speed of each particle after the collision. And we found that the velocity of p after the collision was 3/5. So now it wants us to find the magnitude of the impulse exerted on p by q. So the impulse is essentially just the change in momentum. It's delta p, which is the same as mass doesn't change, as saying the mass times the change in velocity. So we have an equation for the impulse, which is this. The impulse is equal to the mass times the initial velocity minus the mass times the final velocity. So let's just do that for p. Luckily, the direction of the velocity is the same before and after, so we're not going to have a change in sign. And we've set from left to right to be the positive direction. So let's just plug these numbers into the formula. It's the mass 3 kilograms times the initial velocity, 3 meters per second, minus the mass, which is 3 kilograms, times the final velocity, which is 3/5 meters per second. And if we work that out, we get a final value of 7.2 Newton seconds. And that's the impulse exerted on p by q.